Hey, what's up guys? Tom Tang here. I'm over at Trackspec Autosports, and as you can see today I brought my 992 GT3RS over here. We're going to be installing some more performance goodies. This time around my buddies over at Soul Performance sent over some new street headers, so really excited to be rocking those. They're pretty sick. They're made in the USA. And what I love about them is the fact that they're running high flow cats, so they're still street legal, and also you don't have any check engine lights. They're just beautiful. Look at the runners, look at all the high quality fab work, the welding. The guys over at Soul really did an amazing job in putting these together, and I can't wait to fire the car up and hear what it sounds like. Thanks again to my buddies over at Soul Performance. Really loving the exhaust now on my GT3RS. I feel like the 992 should have come with these parts from the factory, but hey, just because they didn't doesn't mean that you can't get your car to sound the same. So highly recommend it. Feel free to hit me up if you have any questions, leave some comments, and thanks for watching. Peace.